Yo ho ho! Hi guys, how you all doing? Today we're going to make an absolute classic, a copycat classic of Bailey's Irish Cream. Some places you can't buy a Bailey's Irish Cream or it's too expensive. Okay, but you can make a very good copy of Bailey's Irish Cream to be enjoyed at home for a fraction of the price. It is so simple. Our ingredients is whiskey, instant coffee, cream, chocolate syrup, condensed milk, vanilla, all in a blender, blend slow, Bailey's. So simple, so easy. So let's make our Bailey's. But I will show you a different way for using the instant coffee, which I prefer to do, which sort of makes it more creamier inside the Bailey's. Okay, so let me show you that first, and then we'll tip everything in the blender and blend it slowly. Okay, to 1 heaped tablespoon of instant coffee, add 1.5 tablespoons of water. And then we're going to take a milk frother and we're going to froth this into a nice creamy coffee paste. It's very simple and it only takes about 30 seconds. Now I prefer to do it this way, and then there's absolutely no chance of either having too much watery coffee or coffee granules in our Bailey's coffee. Okay, to a blender then, we want to add 350 ml of whiskey. Now preferably if you can get Irish whiskey, use it. If you can't, any whiskey. Then add a small can of condensed milk, 388 grams, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, our instant frothed coffee paste, and then we want to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate sauce. Now you can use any chocolate sauce, whichever one you prefer. And then we want to add our thickened cream, 350 milliliters of thick cream. Now we don't have thick cream here, so I'm using whipping cream. And then we want to put our blender on slow. We don't need to whiz this up too far, it just needs mixing in. So nice and slow, blend it for a few seconds. Done. Ho ho! Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho! It really makes you want to say ho ho ho. Oh man, that is really good. That is really, really good. Well guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers. Wow.